happy day. Oh, happy day. Look what's here. So the boys got it off the pallet real quickly, and here is most of the boxes. We made a little video for our owners explaining a little bit more in depth about the numbering system and what to expect. But basically, we got this inside and unboxed. Join us there. Oh my gosh. The excitement continues. We are about to unbox this beautiful Infinity 28. We love this process. Okay, Mr. MK, I will help. You just tell me what you need me to do.
I need you to sit on the box.
Oh no.
I have never birthed the 28 before. I'm still looking for where I don't break anything. Okay.
Maybe not. This looks like you're exercising in the morning.
Oh, I already did. All right, I don't want to break the foam.
I might need to open up the other end and push.
Well, and that might be the right way to do this.
Okay.
Go ahead and give me a push.
Okay, we're gonna try some more. Oh, there we go.
Oh, come on, baby.
We're busy. We can't take your call right now. Go back, please.
All right. Keep your box.
Yes, please always keep your boxes.
All right. This is literally the first time I have seen this machine come out of the box. So let's see how this goes.
Oh my gosh. Look at her, how beautiful she is.
Get her good side. All right, this machine is happy to see you.
I'm happy to see you too.
Hold on. The machine comes with an accessory kit. Like all the machines, they come with accessory kit with getting started, some superior product stuff. There is no CD, there is a USB key with information on it, which always can be downloaded from our site. You get your free thread, your bobbins, all your tools, power cord, and mast. So this is
Lovely.
nice, lovely packaging.
And of course your handlebars. We're going to be talking about these later.
All right, I will let you do that. All right, I am going to get a cart to set this on.
All right, Mr. MK's been working out, so we think between us we can get this. But Mr. MK, give them some tips on taking it out of the box.
2 people.
Yeah, get help. I was going to say
2
get help.
people.
And be careful not to grab. Is there anywhere we're not grabbing it?
They have little indicators down here. Never pull on the
There we
head
go.
assembly.
Okay.
But the gray part, anything that might shift.
Okay, we're going to set it up and then set it on the pink first and then up on the table?
Yeah, then I'll get my arm underneath
Okay.
it and I should be able to do it. The nice thing I see here is, unlike the Infinity 26, which had an extension out here, they've moved everything back into the machine and put this Pro Stitcher track on it ahead of time, because there
Nice.
is no such thing as an Infinity 28 without a Pro Stitcher.
Right.
This is a
Right.
Pro Stitcher machine.
All right.
All right,
You just
so-
guide me to help you.
All right, I just want to, okay. Find the center of gravity. All right. Oh, it's actually,
Wow.
I would say it's a lot lighter than I
Okay, be
expected.
careful.
Okay, the
Use
back
your-
side
use
is
your
the heavy,
knees.
so use 2 people. Okay,
Wow.
so now I pulled on this a little bit to get it out of the box. All right, so this,
It's like Christmas. Don't try to like make it all pretty. Just get into it. says right on here, please do not handle. So never lift on that assembly right there.
Okay, look at how clean this is, though.
Oh my
They're
gosh,
just,
it is
from
so
a
beautiful,
cabling
you
aspect.
guys. It is just sleek and clean and beautiful.
You know what we can do to fill these spaces on this machine, and we have our own removable stickers now. Totally up to you whether you put them on your own machines, but yes, we do want to adopt every one of these.
Okay, well, there you have it. Some unboxing love. By the time you see this, hopefully it will be set up over there. Hopefully you've asked all of your questions, watched our live event, and hopefully you've already been on the phone with Joyia, because these babies, I have a feeling they're going to go fast. So get yours on order so that you are at the top of the list. Joyia is 727-935-1739, extension number 3. All right, thanks everybody.